So this is a 2023 LG ThinQ 8 kilogram washing machine. Absolutely recommendable. Super quiet. Really nice looking machine. Works just wonderfully. I get a good energy rating. We're going to do the tub clean today. So the first thing might be to take out, you press there, and then you can take this out. Now the only reason I have this much in there crusted up together is because I put that in there and then they shut the water off. So the detergent sat in there for like an hour. And that made it get all crusty. Then I'd also wipe that with a little bit of paper towels. Goes back in there, you push here again. It's in there. Now they say not to use detergent for the tub clean. You can use a special tub clean product. I'm not sure what that is. So I'm just gonna go without. Turn it on. Always starts out here at the normal cotton cycle, which I use for everything basically, except for if I need it extra quick. That's 30 minutes, but that doesn't spin cycle. It definitely does 800 rotations, so you see that here. You go to the quick cycle, 30 minutes, but you've only got 800 spin rotations. So that's going to come out kind of soggy. Still going to be more water on there. And it's going to take longer to dry. Here on the normal cotton cycle, as you can see, 40 degrees Celsius and 1400. I think that's rotations per minute or whatever, but 1400 is pretty good. 1600 is the maximum I've ever seen. 1400 is very nice though. Comes out pretty well spun in the spun cycle, so it doesn't take too long to dry. So here we've got a download cycle, which is just a quick one that actually works if you just want to rinse something. And that has 1400. So if you need to rinse something real quick, that actually works. I used that once, even though it's a download cycle really, and that's what it's made for. And then here we've got the tub clean. Whatever that's supposed to say, tub clean. So it doesn't tell you how fast it spins, but it doesn't matter. We just hit that. Oh, didn't close it right. go. Obviously, you need to have the door closed. All right, now it's running. It's running on Tub Clean. And that's empty. There's no clothes in the Tub Clean cycle. It just runs empty, and it's supposed to clean the cycle with hot water. And then it just, I don't know why it's turning before any water came in. Oh, that's an hour and 12 minutes? You gotta be kidding me. That's a long Tub Clean cycle. So you can hear some water running in. I guess it's going to take an hour and 12 minutes. A long time just to clean the tub. Basically flushes it with boiling hot water, I guess. So to sum it up again, for the Tub Clean cycle, it takes an hour and 12 minutes. You put no laundry in there and no detergent. And you can use some chemical product that's called Tub Clean, same as the cycle. And just as a side note, this is a mango, and this thing is odd shaped, has a little tail on the bottom. It is absolutely not a mango. It's got, you know, it looks from the color just almost like a mango, but doesn't taste very good. It smells terrible. Enjoy your day.